Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I am Anglalia Eka Widya Marasti. Will explain about materials summary of intermediate English grammar. Lecture Miss Lili Istiqomah M. Hum MPD. There are noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, infinitive phrase, and gerund phrase. Happy watching. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that has a noun head. The modifier can be before the noun head or after it. The noun phrase cannot begin with a preposition. The noun phrase can be formed by the following patterns. A. Pre-modifier. Number 1. Adjective plus noun. The adjective modifier comes before the head. A. Article plus noun. Example, the book is yours. B. Possessive adjective plus noun. Example, his car is painted. C. Demonstrative adjective plus noun. Example, the trees will be cut down. D. Number plus noun. Number 1. Definite number. Example, 4 houses will be renovated. 2. Indefinite number. Example, some people join the meeting. E. Condition plus noun may refer to size, color, opinion, shape, age, and origin. Example, I see a big man. 2. Adverb plus noun. Example, the nearby neighbor usually becomes a close family. A. Gerund plus noun. Example, the living room should be cleaned. B. Participle plus noun. Present participle plus noun. Example, Indonesia is one of a developing country. Past participle plus noun. Example, spoiled spot needs to be repaired. Noun plus noun. Example, Ahmad writes grammar book of English. B. Post modifiers. Number 1. Noun plus adjectives. Example, we want something else. Number 2. Noun plus adjective phrase. Example, the food available in the restaurant is fast food. Number 3. Noun plus infinitive phrase. Example, I don't have money to pay the book. Number 4. Noun plus participle phrase. Example, I saw 3 men robbing the shop. Number 5. Noun plus prepositional phrase. Example, Jane takes the boat in the harbor. Number 6. Noun plus adjective clause. Example, Jason will buy the boat which is painted red. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that has an adjective head. This phrase is usually modified by adjective or adverb. The modifier can be before or after the adjective head. In terms of sentence pattern, this phrase usually functions as predicated complement. The pattern. Number 1. Subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Adjective plus adjective. Example, the hair is light brown. Number 2. Subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Adverb plus adjective. Example, the problems are completely complex. Number 3. Subject plus verb plus adjective phrase. Adjective plus adverb. Example, the house looks big enough. Verb phrase. A verb phrase can also be defined as part of a clause or sentence comprising a verb and at the same time describes more information about the subject. It can also be described as a verb that acts as an adverb or adjective and comprises a verb and its complements, which may be either modifiers or objects. A. As a predicate of the sentence. Example, he was walking quickly to the bank. You must wash your clothes now. B. As an adverb or adjective. Examples, David opened the window to let in the fresh air. To send money, you need some credit in your account. Verb phrase comes into categories: finite and non-infinite verb phrase. A. Finite verb phrase. A verb phrase is said to be finite if there is only one verb phrase in a sentence. The head verb, which is categorized as finite, can either be in the present or past tense. Example, every Sunday morning they go to church. B. Non-finite verb phrase. This kind of verb phrase has the head verbs as an infinitive participle and can even be a gerund. Example, she is witnessing the two fights. Adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb is the head of the phrase and can appear alone or it can be modified by other words. Examples, we usually go on holiday in August. The day passed quickly enough. Types of adverb phrase. Number 1. Manner. We walk very carefully across the floor. How something happens. Number 2. Place. That's it right there, where something happens. Number 3. Time. Dad got home very late. When something happens. Number 4, duration. This pill will take away the pain temporarily. How long something happens? Adverb phrase function. A. Adverb phrase plus verb. Example, children grow up really quickly. B. Adverb phrase plus be. Example, they're right there on the table. C. Adverb phrase plus adjective or adverb. Example, he drives really carefully. Infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase contains a verb in its infinitive form starting with to and its modifiers or complements. A. As a subject, to clean the house every day is absolutely necessary for her. The infinitive to clean is complete by the noun the house. The infinitive phrase is used as the subject of the sentence. B. As an object, she always wants to be sure. The infinitive to be is complete by the predicative adjective sure. The infinitive phrase is used as the direct object of the verb once. C. Complement. The only solution was to lower the standards. The infinitive phrase is a subject complement. It completes the linking verb was. D. Modifier to show purpose. To be smart in many areas of study, you must study hard. The infinitive phrase to be smart in many areas of study is used to show purpose of the main clause. E. Modifying an adjective. It is possible to live a simple life. The infinitive to life is complete by the noun phrase a simple life. The infinitive phrase modifies the adjective possible. F. Modifying an adverb. I came to Austin to see the art exhibit. The infinitive to see is complete by the noun phrase the art exhibit. The infinitive phrase is used to modify the adverb is Austin. G. Modifying a noun. The child's hope to be smart in many areas study is not beyond his reach. The infinitive to be is completed by the adjective smart. The infinitive phrase is used to modify the noun hope. Gerund phrase. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and acts as noun. A gerund phrase consists of a gerund plus its modifiers and complements. The gerund phrase is always used as a noun. A. As the subject of the sentence. The gentle pattering of the rain was a welcome sound. The gerund phrase is the subject of the sentence. The gerund pattering is modified by the article, the adjective gentle, and the prepositional phrase of the rain. B. As the object of the verb. I enjoyed skiing down the mountain alone. The gerund phrase is used as the object of the verb enjoyed. The gerund skiing is modified by the prepositional phrase down the mountain and by the adverb alone. C. As the predicate nominative. My dog's favorite game is bringing me the newspaper. The gerund bringing has a direct object, newspaper, and an indirect object, me. D. As the object of preposition. Evelyn Ashford won a gold medal for running the 100-meter race. The gerund phrase is the object of the preposition for. The gerund running has a direct object, dash. I think it's enough. There are some mistakes. I'm so sorry. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.